It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 17th of December. I'm Michael Groff. A very mild week ahead, temperatures above average by mid to late week, and generally dry conditions to prevail. But what about that Christmas Day forecast? It's now within our 10-day range. Do we have any surprises lurking out there? Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 68 for the high, 46 the morning low. You see our normal highs and lows, about as low as they get now, 44 and 65. And outside right now, here at 8:15 a.m., got some clouds out there, and we are at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 34. Humidity 61%. The winds are calm. The barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, upper 30s in a couple of the cool spots. Most of us in the 40s, even a few 50s beginning to pop up. Around the nation, I'd say temperatures are rather seasonal for mid-December. It's in the single digits, parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. But overall, not bad. And the upper air look, we've got a little short wave that's moving through the southwest this morning, bringing some clouds with it. And as that transitions on through, we'll continue to see temperatures right around average, and then a ridge builds in behind that. The watch warning map, we've got winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, and some high wind watches in parts of the northwestern states. Dense fog advisories for the Arklatex region, expanding eastward toward the Tennessee Valley and the Deep South. Most of those should be expiring by the time you see this. Convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather across the country. A little sliver of thunder possible along the immediate Pacific Northwest coast. And precipitation valid through next Monday morning from the WPC here across the state. Some very light precipitation, a little rain and snow possible in eastern Arizona as this system moves on through. But overall, conditions will remain dry through at least the weekend. What about beyond that, though? Let's get into the details of it as we check out the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at 18,000 feet. And a little short wave passes on through. Most of the dynamics stay north of us, and it's a fairly weak system anyway. So down at the surface, we'll call it partly sunny today. A good mix of sun and clouds, highs mid and upper 60s. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows in the 40s. And then tomorrow, decreasing clouds, we should call it mostly sunny with highs again in the mid and upper 60s. Wednesday, a ridge builds in, highs in the low 70s, low to mid 70s on Thursday with sunny skies. Same thing on Friday. Saturday, some clouds start to come on in as systems pass mainly to the north of Arizona. And it looks like temperatures will still hold in the upper 60s and low 70s, so slightly above our seasonal averages, which are in the mid 60s. And same thing on Sunday, partly sunny, and highs upper 60s to about 70. Let's go to a week from today. This is Monday, Christmas Eve, the 24th, and we've got a trough beginning to develop across the western states. An initial short wave comes through, maybe some clouds around, but overall the day looks nice, highs around 70. As for Christmas Day, the GFS continues to show a trough beginning to dig into the western states. And you can see around the nation, things look pretty quiet. A little bit of rain and snow for the interior west and mainly across northern Arizona, perhaps. Some light showers for the Arklatex region and a little bit of rain and snow possible in parts of the northeast, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. But generally speaking, looks fairly seasonal. Let me show you the European, though, for Christmas Day. It's got this system much deeper, further to the south as well. A colder system, too. And if this verifies, we could see some rain around here for Christmas Day and some mountain snow and a fairly cool day. The Euros got us down around 60 for the high. So that would be quite a change from the GFS. Now we'll go to the end of the period. This is back off the GFS, Wednesday, the 26th. And now it's got that system, but it's a little bit more of an inside slider type system. We might see a shower if the GFS verifies, but the better chances of precipitation would be confined to our north, and temperatures would be falling back to maybe below average levels, upper 50s and low 60s. Let's check out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. A pretty mild week ahead. Temperatures above average, at least until we get out toward about Christmas, and then high temps coming back down to typical or maybe even a couple of degrees below normal to close out 2018. Hard to believe we're wrapping up the year already. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your feedback, your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a fantastic Monday. And of course, here is your forecast.